Okay, next, the Arroyos are planning to build a brick patio that approximates the shape of a trapezoid. The shorter base of the trapezoid needs to start with a row of 5 bricks, and each row must increase by 2 bricks on each side until there are 25 rows. How many bricks do the Arroyos need to buy? Okay, so in this particular problem, it can be noted no na if we would have 5 bricks at the beginning, so let's say ito yung 5 bricks. Okay? Yung next daw is dapat magdadagdag ng 2 brick no on each side. So ibig sabihin, parang ganito. So ipapatong natin, no? Tapos magdadagdag ng 2. Ayan. Okay, so ganyan, no? And then, yung susunod is magdadagdag na naman ng 2, no? So, ibig sabihin, dito sa una, we only have 5. Sa pangalawa, we have 5. Tapos nadagdagan ng 4, no? Ito yung nadagdag. Okay? So meaning, doon sa susunod, no? Is magdadagdag ng 4. Okay? And so on. So actually dito, we have to recognize that this particular pattern forms an arithmetic progression. Alright? So dahil it forms an arithmetic progression, it is telling us that dun sa unang row, row 1, meron tayong 5. No? Sa row 2, meron tayong 9. And then sa row 3, meron tayong 13 and so on. No? So lumalabas ngayon na ito ay merong common difference na 4. No? Kasi kung babalikan natin yung kwento, nadadagdagan siya ng tigdadalawa sa magkabilaang side. So ibig sabihin, yung nadadagdag palagi sa kada row ay 4. Alright, so that would be our common difference in this arithmetic progression. And we can easily calculate the total no, by summing up all the bricks in the row. No? So again, the total bricks no, is the sum of the bricks in 5 rows. Okay, and how do we calculate that? Di ba, remember in arithmetic progression, we have this formula. 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so we have this particular formula. And from here, we can easily calculate that yung n natin is lumalabas, we have 5 rows, so 5 over 2 times 2 times our first term will be represented by 5 plus, sorry, tama, 5. No? And then we have 5 rows, okay? And then the common difference is 4. Okay, and if we calculate this, we are expecting that that would give us the value of the total number of bricks. Okay, sorry. We all, actually, ano pala, kailangan pa natin ng 25 rows pa lang sabi, na 25 rows, hindi pala 5. So, this is supposed to be 25. Okay, and also this one is 25. Ayan. Okay, so this should be 24. Okay, and that gives us 1,325 or bricks. Okay? So, sum of the bricks in 25 rows yung ibig sabihin, na hindi 5 rows. Okay? So, that's how we calculate that. Um, and therefore, our answer here would be letter E. Okay? So, that's how we answer that particular problem.